in the market for around 30 years, so we were the first brand to bring affordable, reliable lighting into the market. We have exciting plans over the last 3 years. We've rebranded Interfit into a more high-end, focusing on core functionality with the launch of the S1, which was a game changer, which is our AC/DC 500 watt light. We followed this up with our compact flash called the Honey Badger, which is a 320 watt flash. Really exciting and well received lighting brand.
The strength of Grand Stores is like we are the distributors of Nikon, we are the distributors of Fujifilm, and almost around 30 different photography brands we have. So we want to create Grand Stores as a one-stop destination stores and create Interfit as the one lighting brand. We had a wonderful training today and met almost around 10 influencers from UAE, and all of them were so happy to accept Interfit as a brand in UAE.
Quality is hugely important to us as a brand, as is customer service, so that's just a very small snapshot into Interfit.
I hope we'll do a great job. All the best to Interfit and Grand Stores. Thank you.